Hi everybody, I am here today to go through my newest mini album. Now this is more of a mini album folio than a true mini album, and it was decorated with the Mintay Papers Lighthouse collection. I have a tutorial already where I have decorated the wooden treasure chest that I have available for sale on my website. And then I have a tutorial for the build of the album and then a decoration video. So you can use this album base for any type of paper collection you want. And then you can use the Mintay Lighthouse papers or another set of papers. I'll link everything down in the description box below if you want to follow along. Now this is a really small folio. It was designed to fit inside the treasure chest. So it's 4.5 by 6.5 and it has about a 2-inch spine. I have some flowers up here on the cover, some of my chipboard pieces, some pearls, some of the fussy cut pieces from the collection. It is held together with a ribbon closure here. And then it's also magnetized, so these flaps will not come apart, and it helps to keep that book together. Now, if you didn't put this flower on the front, this album would lay completely flat as you are viewing it. But with that decoration, it does lift up this side. They are mirror images of each other. So I'm going to go through the left side, then we'll go through the right side. So this is magnetized under here. This is open, so a photo can slide underneath of this. So anywhere that there's a band across that photo mat, there is an opening, and then the magnet is actually between these layers so that the photo doesn't get trapped between the magnets. This is matted to hold 20 photos, but then it will actually hold more because you can place photos on the backs of the cut apart cards here. You could add additional photo mats to these pockets if you wanted to as well. So there is plenty of space. So this just has a side pocket here and those 3 cut apart cards. Here we have another full 4x6 photo. Now this is decorative, but it also comes out, so you could place a photo on there and then you could stick this back in here and see your photo. Or you can leave it like this, even with the photo on the back of it, so that you can see that decorative paper. Then we flip up, we have room for a 4x4 photo here on all of the waterfall flaps. Then this flap actually flips down, room for a photo. Then here we have a belly band that just has a photo mat for 2 more 4x6 photos. And then this side flips up, room for a photo. And then on the center of the base of the page, there is a pocket. And I've created a little booklet out of some of the cut apart cards. And then you could add additional photos here if you choose to do so. On this side, like I said, it is a mirror image of the other side. So we have our photo mat here on this side. We have our 3 cut apart cards here. This is a deep pocket, so you could definitely add additional photo mats or just place photos in there. We have a photo spot here. Just like on the opposite side, this does come out, so you could place a photo on there. And then on the waterfall, we have room for 4x4 photos there. Then this flips down. In the belly band, we have a photo mat for 2 more 4x6 photos. And then this flips up, room for a photo. And then on the base of the page, again, we have that pocket with another one of those little booklets from the cut apart cards, and plenty of space for additional photos if you wanted to add more here. So this is the little Mintay Lighthouse mini album folio, and it does fit into the treasure chest. It was designed to fit into that treasure chest, so it is the exact size. Unfortunately, I can't get the album to be bigger, or the album will rub on the top and the chest will not close. So that's why I made such a small little folio. And I also wanted to just do something little. Since I make so many large albums, sometimes I like to do something different and make a little smaller one. So since this spine is flat, I'm going to put the book this direction here and then close up my chest. And there is my Lighthouse mini album folio. And if you are interested in purchasing this completed folio with the storage box treasure chest, I am going to be listing this for sale as well. So it will be linked in the description box below. So all you have to do is purchase this, print out your photos, and place them in there for a great keepsake for your trip, or a beautiful gift for someone if you are looking for that perfect gift for someone who maybe enjoys nautical adventures. I will link the playlist below for the tutorial videos in case you wanted to follow along, as well as the chipboard pieces here that I've used and the MDF treasure chest box if you would like to purchase that as well. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.